Good late night on this post sunset on this early September, early autumn in the greater Roseville metropolitan area in the great state of Michigan, right? On this chilly upper 50-degree night with a very low dew point. It sure feels like fall, and old Vincenzo has been waiting. Quick update, and then I'm going to bed. I was watching football, watching Ohio State and a Big Ten. If my Big Ten audience is out there and Ohio State fans, that quarterback that you have not winning you the Big Ten championship, you're going to have to go with somebody else because that guy is not very good. Can't throw the ball, and he's slow as fuck. And if you're an Ohio State quarterback, you must be fast, you must be athletic, and you must be able to throw on the run. And that guy cannot throw on the run, and he is slower than fuck. But you can see right now in Bitcoin, we broke out of this, right? We'll start like this. Zoom out. Always zoom out. Super simple, easy technical analysis. You can see we have this rising wedge, or actually rising channel right there. We were trading in it, and then we had these price labels to watch if you broke out, which you did, but we didn't do it decisively. So on the fly, as we zoom in super simple, easy steps, that's why you always start from a far out time frame. XRP, Doge, XLM, and one other coin did this when they broke out of this. They didn't do it decisively, so we showed you. They usually come back up and retest, and that's why that's up there. We had this written on here for a few days, but it gets in the way after we seen it come up. But that's why we had this upper target of 51,1496, right? Almost hit it. Volume still declining, which is bearish. It's coming to retest. It's looking to 10 more bearish. But what I would keep an eye out on this, if I were you, is with our industry exclusive perching tool. We'll perch from over here, and you can see, hello, Vincenzo. Up here is the time, the Bitcoin, the volume, the EMA ribbons, the price, and the volume down there, right? We broke out of here. What I would pay attention for, if we can't breach these two upper highs or get back into this channel, you're going to be bearish. If you break under this red or the 100-day moving average, I would be concerned. If you come down to the green and break through it, you're bearish. Once you break in the 3-hour or longer time frame, this green 200-day moving average, you're bearish. If you stay above it, you're bullish. Break below it, you're bearish. Got that? Green line, below, bearish, above, bullish, right? So right now, you're still bullish. XRP is the same thing. Earlier, we showed you how this was a rising wedge or a rising channel. Starting from right there, see that? And then you see that. We told you that was a rising channel. And then you broke above a bigger falling wedge. And we said after you broke out of this rising channel right here, you could come up and try to retest that. Or if you don't and you break below, you're going to come and retest this, is what we think is going to happen. You got to retest this down here at $1.19. And then you can try to kick back up, or you're going to fall back in to this falling or this descending triangle that you broke out of. If we zoom out, you can see what I'm talking about. You had this descending triangle, lower high. We'll zoom in here for you. See that? That's much better. You had high, lower high, and now still a lower high. Horizontal support, support, and support. So that was a descending triangle right there. Descending upper resistance, horizontal lower support. You broke out of it. But it was in a rising channel, just like this was a rising channel, and that's how we diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected and knew the price right here. See that rising channel? See that? it was a daily time, a 4-hour time frame pattern back then, and we knew that's how it was going to come back here because you broke the channel. Now we're doing another one of these here, so the technical target is down here. That's why I think we're going to come retest this, and maybe even if you fail to hold support when you fall down, you could fall back into this triangle and start trading with our industry exclusive wavy line tool price predictor, and you can see we've already put that down in there for you before. And then we're going to go to XLM. I feel like I've neglected that, but XLM was the same thing. We told you had an upper target with our perching tool. You had an upper target of 42 cents because you broke out of this rising channel, and if you got supported, you could try to pump up there and retest the upper resistance, or you would fall straight down. We still haven't decided, but the volume and the trend suggest we may want to start to roll over. Moving averages are flattening out, right? So we'll keep an eye on this for you. Again, if you break below this green candle and the daily and close, you're bearish. You stay above it, you're bullish. So right now, you're still bullish. Like, subscribe, and share to VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.